Hi, I'm Jennifer Chino, team lead of Staley Thompson Homes of Monument Sotheby's International Realty, and today we are going to talk title insurance. I'm joined by Brooke Szilard of Eagle Title. She is a bilingual settlement officer, and she's going to answer our questions about title insurance.
Thank you for having me, Jennifer. I love this topic.
Well, it is near and dear to my heart because before I was in this industry, we were purchasing our first home. We were told that the lender policy is required, which is true, and the owner policy is not required, which is also true. And we were told we could save $700 by not purchasing the owner's title policy, which we did not. And then I get into the industry, I hear all the horror stories about people who haven't purchased owner's title policies, and I really regret that we didn't do that. So I want to get the information out there today, and I'm so glad to have Brooke who can answer that question.
Yeah, I'd be happy to. A title role in your process of your transaction is to cure, find, seek, settle, close, discover. And so when you're undertaking a title, you're trying to find all the nuts and bolts and the things that could impact the title transferring peacefully, effectively, easily. With owner's title insurance, it's actually an insurance that will insure you against the unknown. So that's going to be an unknown heir, an unknown lien, that's L-I-E-N, and an unknown judgment. The operative word there is unknown. When we talk about the lender's policy being not optional and required, that's absolutely correct. It's so important that lenders have this on every single transaction that's a purchase transaction. That's protecting the lender's interest only in the unknown heir, the unknown lien, the unknown judgment. When you have the owner's title policy purchased at the same time as a lender's title policy, it is what we can offer in our industry as a simultaneous issue. These rates are non-negotiable. They are set by the Maryland Insurance Administration, and they will protect you, the owner, against the unknown heir, the unknown lien, the unknown judgment. Now, what happens if you don't have that, like Jennifer and her family had their scenario? Let's say that there was an unreleased deed of trust, and that would be an unreleased lien. We see this all the time. People got in and out of the business over the past so many years in our state and in the country. And so in the cleanup matter here, if you don't have an owner's title insurance and you do have an unreleased lien or one of these other scenarios we talked about, you're having to undertake getting an attorney involved. That can be expensive. It could be timely. It could be hundreds of thousands of dollars. We are filled with horror stories that I'd be happy to discuss with anybody that wants to know more, and some tales from the title table. When you do have it, you're going to make a call that says, this is my policy, this is my number on the policy, and then it is the underwriter, that is the title insurer, that then undertakes curing the situation. They might pay the claim, they might fight it, they might debate it, they might work on it. There are a variety of scenarios that they handle, but the operative word here is that they take that off of your plate.
Perfect. So if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Brooke. We'll have our contact information below. Thank you so much for joining us.